Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 10 latest defense updates. Number 1, Super Hornets last hurrah. US Navy has secured a crucial contract modification with Boeing for the final 17F/A 18E/F Super Hornets, marking a potential turning point for the iconic fighter jet's production future. Next, China's C919 targets Asian markets. China's domestically produced passenger aircraft, the C919, is making waves in the aviation industry. Built by the state-owned Commercial Aviation Corporation of China, the C919 has garnered significant interest with around 1,200 orders, primarily from domestic airlines. However, its global ambitions might face a hurdle in the form of world's fastest growing aviation market, India. Next, India analyzes Israel's missile defense after Iranian attack. Last weekend's massive Iranian missile and drone attack on Israel served as a real-world test of air defense capabilities. While Israel claims it successfully intercepted 99% of the incoming projectiles with its Iron Dome system, the event sparked discussions within India's military about its own air defense readiness. Indian military experts acknowledged the effectiveness of Israel's Iron Dome, which has a range of approximately 70 kilometers. However, India is heavily invested in developing its own robust and indigenous air defense network. Next, China's supersonic WZ-8 drone spotted under H-6 bomber. Eagle-eyed plane spotters recently captured images of a previously unseen high-speed drone carried by a Chinese People's Liberation Army Air Force Xi'an H-6 bomber. This drone, believed to be WZ-8, has garnered attention for its potential to significantly enhance China's aerial reconnaissance capability. The WZ-8 is reported to be a marvel of engineering, boasting speeds exceeding Mach 3 and cruising at altitude of 30 kilometers. This hypersonic performance surpasses most reconnaissance drones, placing it in a league of its own. While some resemblance exists to be American Lockheed D-21, the WZ-8's unique dimensions, propulsion system, and blistering speed set it apart. Next, DRDO and IIT Jodhpur join forces to drive innovation in defense technology. The Indian Institute of Technology Jodhpur and the DRDO have joined forces in a groundbreaking collaboration aimed at spearheading innovation across a diverse spectrum of discipline. The strategic partnership, marked by a shared commitment to pushing the boundaries of scientific advancement, promises to revolutionize defense technologies and foster transformative breakthrough with far-reaching implications. Next, inauguration of Digantara's headquarters in Bengaluru by ISRO Chief Somnath. Indian ISRO Chairman S. Somnath on Friday inaugurated the global headquarters of space sector startup Digantara, which is gearing to launch the first ever space surveillance satellite in Bengaluru. The headquarters, spread across 25,000 square feet area in Hebbal, comprises a satellite assembly, integration and testing facility and a command and control center for providing comprehensive space domain awareness. Next, Aryabhatta launched into space 49 years ago. On April 19, 1975, India took a historic step towards becoming a major spacefaring nation. 49 years ago today, the Indian Space Research Organization successfully launched Aryabhatta, the country's very first unmanned satellite, into space. Next, ADA studies twin SRAM integration. The Aeronautical Development Agency is gearing up for a crucial study related to the light combat aircraft Tejas Mk1A. This project focuses on integrating the advanced short-range air-to-air missiles onto the Mk1A variant. The study will explore the feasibility of incorporating both single and twin SRAM configuration on the Tejas Mk1A. A crucial aspect of the study will involve conducting an ASC analysis for the proposed configuration. Next, integration for Jaguar fleet for NGCCM and HMDS. The Indian Air Force has issued a request for technical and commercial proposal for a significant upgrade package for its Jaguar Daring 3 fighter jets. The IAF seeks a new missile to enhance the close combat capabilities of the Jaguar with next generation close combat missile, that is NGCCM integration. NGCCM is a license produced version of the MBDA SRAM air-to-air missile. While previous media reports have mentioned NGCCM integration with the Jaguar has been completed, this tender suggests either live fire testing has not been conducted or previous trials were limited to captive flights, that is missile mounted but not fired. Next, new radar detection method for F-22. A recent study by a Chinese research team led by Zi Yunwei suggests a breakthrough in radar detection technology. The study claims their method can increase the radar signature of the F-22 Raptor fighter jet by a staggering 60,000 times, potentially compromising its stealth capability. The study asserts that this innovation allows Chinese radar system to pinpoint the F-22's real-time position with high accuracy. If true, this could significantly impact the F-22's effectiveness, particularly given a long range of its air-to-air missile and need for a specific operational radius for ground attacks. Thank you.